In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell a course on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then log into your account and verify your email if required. After logging in, go to the Products section in the left sidebar and click New Product in the top right corner. Now, choose the product type you want to use for your course. You can use either digital product or membership depending on how you want to sell the course. If you want recurring payments and ongoing content access, membership is usually the better option. Next, enter your course name. Make sure the title is clear, professional, and attractive so students instantly understand what the course is about. After that, set your pricing. You can choose monthly pricing, yearly pricing, quarterly pricing, or even allow customers to pay what they want. You can also select your preferred currency before continuing. Once everything is set, click Next and Customize. Now you can fully customize your course page. Start by writing a strong course description explaining what students will learn, the main benefits, outcomes, and why your course is valuable. You can also adjust pricing options, create membership tiers, and customize supporter settings if needed. Next, upload your course cover image and thumbnail. You can upload them directly from your computer or through external links. High-quality visuals help your course look more professional and increase conversions. After that, go to the Content section and upload your course materials. You can upload videos, PDFs, slides, audio files, worksheets, downloadable resources, and other learning materials. If your course has multiple lessons, you can also enable drip content to release lessons gradually over time instead of giving everything at once. You may also add additional details and summaries inside the product info section to help students better understand the course structure. Once everything is ready, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your course live on your Gumroad store so students can start enrolling immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.